Another year, another dream. Still you're the heart of everything. Through every laugh and every tear, I thank God that you're still here. Time may change the world we see, but it will never change you and